Hare Krishna, I am Giri Nandita from Rhythmic Rhythms. Let's explore the 7th verse of the Hanuman Chalisa. Vidyavana Guniyati Chatura Rama Kajikari Beko Atura. This verse praises Hanuman's inner brilliance, noble character, and deep devotion to Lord Ram. Let's understand it line by line. Vidyavan. This means Hanuman is full of knowledge. He is not just physically strong, he is also deeply learned in scriptures, language, music, and philosophy. He had mastered the Vedas and Shastras, and even scholars bowed to his wisdom. Guni Ati Chatur. He is full of virtues and exceptionally intelligent. Hanuman's mind is quick, clear, and always calm. He knows how to act with wisdom in every situation, like in war, in peace, in service, etc. He is the perfect blend of intellect and humility, strength and sensitivity. Rama Kaju Karibeko Atura. This means Hanuman is always eager to serve Lord Ram. Not waiting for rewards, not asking questions, just ready to serve anytime, anywhere. Whether it was finding Sita, burning Lanka, or bringing the Sanjeevani, Hanuman never delayed. He lived for Ram's mission with joy and urgency. So, what does this verse teach us? True greatness is not just in being wise or strong, but in using those gifts to serve an higher purpose with devotion and humility. Hanuman reminds us to ask ourselves, are we using our knowledge and talents to help, to serve, to uplift? When we chant Vidyavana Guniyati Chatura Rama Kajikari Beko Atura, we are invoking Hanuman's spirit of wisdom, selflessness, and service into our own lives. May we also become eager to serve the divine just like Hanumanji. Jai Hanuman.